With a 1 million square foot facility, state-of-the-art technology, and a skilled team of 1,400, it's no wonder that Fel-Pro sets the standard for sealing solutions.
Here in Skokie, Illinois, we produce more than 325,000 gaskets a day. We have everything involved in our products here under one roof: engineering, tooling, manufacturing, testing and quality, packaging and shipping. People here do everything they can to make the best parts and protect technicians' reputations by ensuring they can do their job right the first time. We are one team focused on the customer, the professional technician who installs our product. Our success depends on our ability to make sure that technician is successful. We provide consistent quality parts to ensure that when the technician opens the box, they can install our parts with confidence and do the job right the first time. We build quality into our products and processes in each step. Our team is driven to satisfy the technician, and the design for the repair environment philosophy drives everything we do. We do our best every day, and every day we continuously strive to make it better.